flashback. Plans were always falling. I know you need out sometimes. Head on the glass by traffic lights. Thoughts never felt so blind, so we take off in amazing dive. Driving circles, going sick of the weather. Heather gray, you fell asleep in my sweatshirt. I'll leave the world and make a new one together. That's how my mind is.
So another app that has helped me a lot as a student, and something that I would recommend, is this app called UPDF, which is kind enough to sponsor today's video. It is an all-in-one PDF editor that supports reading, annotating, editing, and organizing PDF files, and so much more. But personally, I like to use it as a notes app whenever I have my readings. So I just simply upload my PDF that I can easily edit with their various tools, such as writing down and annotating my readings with their different color options. I also use this for highlighting important details whenever I have my readings, so that I keep tabs on information that is relevant and important. And besides that, you can also type in text if you want. So if you do not want to write manually, you have the option to have text available with their many fonts option available. And what is really cool about this is that you can select a portion of your PDF text and completely rearrange it. And of course, you can add pictures, making everything so much more customizable. And most importantly, they have integrated a powerful AI tool that will ensure to make your workflow a lot faster. So now you can ask their AI some questions such as summarizing PDF, saving you so much time from reading. And if you need specific answer, you can also ask their AI some assistant so that you can find relevant answers and information so much more easier and faster. This AI tool has definitely elevated my reading experience as a college student, making it easier for me to navigate through my readings and annotations. And now, if this is something that you think can help you, and if you would like to try it, I highly recommend for you to do so. It is now available for download completely for free, available on computers, iOS device, and Android. Once again, thank you so much UPDF for sponsoring the portion of this video.